Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this short tutorial, I will discuss about how to download and use deepseek AI application on your iPhone and iOS devices. So you can see I have already downloaded on my iPhone. Open App Store and search here deepseek DEEP deepseek. Here you can see showing here. Tap on it. It is a famous application recently. Here I have already downloaded. Simply download it. Now I am opening. Here's the interface. Simply tap on sign up if you have not already account. Enter your email password and confirm password. Enter email ID and here you got password. Now guys simply enter password he sent to my Gmail account. Here guys, here you can see simply copy this code I have received on my Google account. Simply paste here and simply tap on sign up. Here you can see. So guys, account has been successfully created. Now how can I use? So guys, simply this is a chat GPT and you can ask anything from deepseek application. Here you can see when I type hello and you can see is saying a good answer. You can see appears on screen. You can use look like chat GPT. So now I am asking new question how to grow YouTube channel. You can see appears on screen. After typing, simply tap on next and he will give you step by step and clear and good answer. So guys, the advance from old ChatGPT. So guys, I recommend you can use this DeepSeek application on your Android iPhone and look like a computer, MacBook, anything you have using. You can see. So guys, you can download and use deepseek application on your iPhone by this method. I hope this video helpful for you. So guys, please like my video, subscribe to my channel for the latest more updates.